They say two heads are better than one. Well, look at this. The Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua, a vacuum cleaner and a 2-in-1 Aqua mop all in one.
The power of a mop plus the strength of a vacuum.
Let's start with the vacuum cleaner. It has the versatility you'd expect from the Bosch, with auto detect to adjust the power depending upon the surface. It has headlights to show up any bit of dirt, and the HEPA filtration system to ensure cleaner air. It also has anti-tangle technology, which is good news for all of those with hairy friends. But where it really comes into its own is when you swap in the Aqua head so that you can mop and vacuum at the same time. It has two microfiber rotating power heads spinning at over 3 times a second, and an automatic water supply delivering just the right amount of water to the mix. The results? Well, they speak for themselves. The Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua. Want to know more? Visit Euronics and just ask.